Lenovo announced a trio of new Android tablets in China with some impressive specs. Starting with the Lenovo Y700 is one of the first tablets with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's the same device as the Lenovo Legion Tab. Alongside that, they launched the Xiaoxin Pro 13 and Pro GT 13 slates, which brings high-end 13-inch IPS LCDs, big batteries, and top-tier Snapdragon chipset. The Legion Y700 brings a compact 8.8-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 3040 to 1904 resolution and 165 Hz refresh rate. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with Lenovo's cold front vapor chamber cooling system. Despite the ongoing RAM shortage, it offers it up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage with storage expansion. It features not one but two USB-C ports so that you can charge while listening to audio via wired headphones or output video to the monitor. It comes with dual cell 9000 mAh battery with 68-watt wired charging support. It comes in white and black color and is listed for $625 for the base 12 to 56 GB variant. The top tier variant is around $931. Open sales is slated for March 21st. The Xiaoxin Pro 13 and Pro GT 13 share similar looks with 13-inch IPS LCD screens with a resolution of 3504 and 2190 resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. You get quad speakers with JBL sound tuning, Dolby Atmos, and support for Lenovo Pen Pro 2 stylus. The main difference is that the Pro GT13 gets Qualcomm's 8S Gen 4 chipset, while the Pro 13 is equipped with Qualcomm 8 Elite. Both gets up to 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage. In battery capacity, the Pro GT13 offers a 12,000 mAh battery with 68-watt charging, while the Pro 13 packs a 10,200 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. Both get 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. The Xiaoxin Pro 13 starts at $334 for the base trim, while the Pro GT gets $436. Both of them are also going on sale on March 21st.